It will take time to determine the long-term prognosis for Ryan Stresnitsky, who was paralyzed in the Humboldt Broncos bus crash. But results from an experimental spinal implant has been promising so far. While Ryan and others had to travel abroad for surgery, future patients may not have to. CTV's medical specialist Avis Favaro explains.
Turn right, turn left.
Every step is a victory for someone paralyzed like Sandra Mulder. Injured in a motorcycle crash over 7 years ago, she's one of very few Canadians with an experimental spinal stimulator.
Yeah, that's better.
She picks programs that send electrical signals to nerves in her lower spine, giving her some control over muscles in the paralyzed part of her body.
It makes me feel better overall. I always have it on at some form of level, so I find that it's given me a better quality of life.
Humboldt Broncos hockey player Ryan Stresnitsky got a similar implant. He flew to Thailand and paid to get it because it's not approved for use in Canada. Sandra got it done at no cost in Minneapolis by a Calgary surgeon, Aaron Phillips, who's testing the implants for an American study.
I would say that it's the only therapy in the last kind of 50 years of trials that's shown such significant promise for people with spinal cord injury. This is the 16 electrodes implanted.
Dr. Phillips says that in the 14 Canadian and American patients implanted so far, early results show it's safe, improving bladder, bowel, and body temperature control. Some can even move their legs for the first time.
I'm excited because I'm seeing people having life-changing experiences that have kind of, in some ways, had a recovery of function that they didn't expect to have.
Now he and colleagues are trying to get a study started in Canada if they get the funding.
Here right in Canada, and they're going to the States to be part of these trials. So why can we not use them here in Canada to allow Canadians to benefit from it? 1, 2, 3.
And so Sandra is now pushing for research here so that more Canadians with spinal cord injuries get a chance to try this stimulation without having to travel abroad to get it.
And 5, nicely done.
Avis Favaro, CTV News, Toronto.